The three turn is usually the first 1 foot turn you'll learn as a skater. It's named after the pattern that it leaves on the ice from the skater's blade. There are actually 4 types of three turns in total: forwards outside to backwards inside, forwards inside to backwards outside to forwards inside, and backwards inside to forwards outside. But for the simplicity of this video, we're just going to be covering the right forward outside to backwards inside three turn. Arms and core play a huge role in 2 foot turns and three turns. Initially, I thought that it was all in the lower body, and man was I wrong. For both turns, it's really important to know when to check and when to open the shoulders. This creates tension in the core that allows the turn to come easily. To complete a right forward outside three turn, you'll need to be comfortable with the following: holding a right forward outside edge and holding a right backwards inside edge on a half circle. For the right outside forward three turn, start with the left arm in front and the right arm behind you. The shoulders need to be open to the inside of the circle. As you enter the turn on a right forward outside edge, bend the knee to dig deeper into the ice after push-off. Keep the shoulders open. When you're ready to turn, reduce that knee bend. You should shift your weight slightly onto the balls of your feet. Reducing knee and ankle bend makes you lighter for the turn. Deep bends help you hold a strong edge before and after the turn. Imagine somebody gently pulling your left hand forward and slightly into the circle. Keep your hips and shoulders upright and square throughout the turn. This ensures your feet are under you and you have more control. Remember, bend at the knee and ankle, not at the hip. Your arms are going to remain in the same position overall, but you'll be ending up on a right backwards inside edge after the turn. It's important to understand that there shouldn't be too much effort in trying to turn. Remember to check the right shoulder after the turn to avoid the right arm from swinging you off balance. A way to do this is by maintaining the tension in your core. Imagine that your right shoulder and your left hip want to be closer together. Next, keep the left leg behind you, not out beside you. It helps to think of the left leg being in line with the tracing of the right leg's blade. And that's it for this video on forward outside three turns. I really hope you found it helpful. If there's any other skills you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments below. I've just left a summary of common errors that I discussed in this video, so hopefully you can use it for reference.